Ricochet now allows you to track the fluctuating cost of retail inventory by now allowing you to update cost whenever updating quantity on retail items. So if I were to go ahead and save this retail item, now I'm going to see a blue plus sign next to the quantity field, and the quantity title changes to quantity on hand. When clicking this, now I have the ability to add in additional quantities and change the cost field, then click Add Quantity. Now in the In-Stock Inventory Detail section, I can see all of those items, when they were received, the remaining quantity, and I do have the ability to click the dash button to update that quantity if need be. Now, if you do have retail items and you're updating the quantity on hand of those, you will still see that plus button available to update quantity. But if you click the black triangle within each attribute, you're going to have the in-stock inventory detail available as a hyperlink or a link to be able to click to view it. So that way we can organize the space for items with attributes a little bit better.